Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So the powders that I will be using today are from the brand Revel Nail, and here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Elderberry, and this is a solid purple magenta color. Next is in the shade Isadora, and this is a very sparkly multicolor glitter. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, as always, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I apply UNT Peel-Off Base. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. Obviously, you don't need this if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be using the shade Elderberry on my ring, pinky, and thumb, and as always, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. I just want to mention that this shade is so pretty and this reminds me of my Magenta Mania from Deep UK. So once I'm finished with my Elderberry, I move on to the next shade, which is the Isadora, and I will be applying this on my pointy and middle nail. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. I just want to mention that this powder is so pretty and it's very easy to work with. So once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. I highly recommend you should do this because it will protect your colors underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. After a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I use toothbrush to remove all the dust. And then next, I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. So the next I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to, but obviously you don't need to cure your dip powder top coat. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.